Hey beauties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This video will be about this NadulaHair. Okay, glueless, pre-cut, perfect for our scalp. It's so breathable. You guys will see the construction in a second, but this is everything that came inside the box. Again, this lace was pre-cut. All I had to do was tint it to match my skin tone, and look, it's already looking great out of the box, but you know we had to add a little tint to it. I wanted to go in and show you guys again the construction of the wig. I personally love this because when I want to get to my scalp and scratch it, honey, this construction allows you to do that. The wig is so beautiful. It is in a body wave texture, but I will be straightening it, y'all. I'm working with some crusty dusty braids, but this just comes to show you how convenient a glueless wig is. I'm not going to do anything to my hair but put on a wig cap and install this wig as is. To tint my lace, I am going in with my even lace tint. It is in a medium brown. I just apply that right to the front hairline, and then once I do that, it does give my hairline a tinted look, so when I apply it glueless, it will look seamless. You guys just saw me tug on my adjustable strap. That is also key when wearing a glueless wig. I want to make sure that it's secure, and adjustable strap does that. I did have a cream color wig cap. I did go in and change it to a brown one. It looks so much more flawless this way. I'm just checking out the lace, looking at the hair, and I'm loving how it is so far. Very low maintenance. I didn't have to do anything to it but put it on my head, and I straightened half of it off camera, but you guys can see me straighten the next half right now, so just keep on watching. I'm in need of a new flat iron, y'all, but my baby got the job done. She is straight. It's glueless. It was a very quick hairstyle. I think I installed less than 10 minutes, so shout out to you, Nadula. I didn't have to cut off no lace. It was pre-cut. It's definitely giving beginner vibes because this was so easy to install, so shout out to you, Nadula. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up to let me know if you like this video or if you would like more relatable content like this so I can know what I need to be creating. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.